What causes mountain ranges to form? A. Erosion of rock formations. B. Collision of tectonic plates. C. Deposition of sediment. D. Volcanic eruptions. The correct answer is B. Collision of tectonic plates. If the supply of fresh air to a burning candle is removed, what is the expected outcome? A. The candle will produce less heat. B. The flame will become blue. C. The candle will burn faster. D. The candle will extinguish. The correct answer is D. The candle will extinguish. By what year were the Dutch completely wiped out, losing their settlements to the English? A. 1613. Born in 1759. Circa 1612. D. 1795. The correct answer is D. 1795. What international organizations' foundation, functioning, and failure are discussed? A. The European Union. B. The Non-Aligned Movement. C. The United Nations. D. The League of Nations. The correct answer is D. The League of Nations. Which law states that pressure is proportional to the reciprocal of volume for a gas? A. Boyle's law. B. Charles' law. C. Avogadro's law. D. Gay-Lussac's law. The correct answer is A. Boyle's law. What is the characteristic movement of air during a thunderstorm, as it relates to lightning formation? A. Moving upward rapidly. B. Stagnant and still. C. Moving downward rapidly. D. Moving horizontally slowly. The correct answer is A. Moving upward rapidly. What year was the Health Psychology book published according to the reference? A. 2011. Born in 2013. Circa 2012. D. 2010. The correct answer is circa 2012. What type of organism is an amoeba classified as? A. A virus. B. An algae. C. A bacterium. D. A protozoan. The correct answer is D. A protozoan. What are the two units of pressure? A. Nm2 and Pa. B. J and Nm2. C. Nm and J. D. Nm1 and Pa. The correct answer is A. Nm2 and Pa. What is the title of the learning unit? A. Ancient Civilizations. B. Medieval Kingdoms. C. Rise of Republics. D. From Chiefdoms to Empires. The correct answer is D. From Chiefdoms to Empires. What is raw material, in the context of tool making, described as? A. Refined metal ores. B. Fired clay. C. Processed animal bones. D. Naturally available stone blocks or pebbles. The correct answer is D. Naturally available stone blocks or pebbles. When did European penetration and colonization of Africa begin to intensify? A. After 1875. B. Before 1875. C. After 1800. D. After 1850. The correct answer is A. After 1875. Which substance, besides copper sulfate, is mentioned as undergoing sublimation? A. Calcium carbonate. B. Potassium nitrate. C. Ammonium chloride. D. Sodium chloride. The correct answer is C. Ammonium chloride. What material is used to close the mouth of the funnel during the sublimation experiment? A. Plastic wrap. B. A rubber stopper. C. Aluminium foil. D. Small amount of cotton wool. The correct answer is D. Small amount of cotton wool. Which of the following is explicitly mentioned as a region that has experienced a number of earthquakes? A. The Amazon rainforest. B. The Great Barrier Reef. C. The Sahara Desert. D. The Himalayan region. The correct answer is D. The Himalayan region. Which individual conducted the Second Buddhist Council? A. Kalsoka. B. Kanishka. C. Chandragupta Maurya. D. Ashoka. The correct answer is A. Kalsoka. What organization was the Singh Sabha forerunner of? A. Jamayatul Ulema. B. Arya Samaj. C. Akali. D. Christian missionaries. The correct answer is C. Akali. What width is considered light gauge for railways? A. 0.762 meter. B. 0.610 meter. C. 0.500 meter. D. 1.000 meter. The correct answer is B. 0.610 meter. Who organized a campaign for legislation against the practice of child marriage? A. Behramji Malabari. B. Guru Narayana. C. Nauroji. D. Syed Ahmad Khan. The correct answer is A. Behramji Malabari. What ion is left behind when one water molecule transfers a proton to another water molecule? A. Hydroxide ion. B. Hydronium ion. C. Proton. D. Hydrogen ion. The correct answer is A. Hydroxide ion. For how long does a thermos flask typically maintain the temperature of its content? A. For a very short period. B. For a few minutes. C. Indefinitely. D. For a longer time. The correct answer is D. For a longer time. What was Francisco de Almeida's policy known as? A. The Red Earth Policy. B. The Green Land Policy. C. The Golden Trade Policy. D. The Blue Water Policy. The correct answer is D. The Blue Water Policy. Which regions were effectively brought under the control of the Marathas despite conflict with the Nizam? A. Karnataka, Tamil, Kannada, and Telugu regions. B. Punjab and Haryana. C. Gujarat and Maharashtra. D. Rajasthan and Delhi. The correct answer is A. Karnataka, Tamil, Kannada, and Telugu regions. What is the standard unit for time taken? T. A. Joule, J. B. Coulomb, C. C. Ampere, A. D. Second, S. The correct answer is D. Second, S. What is a consumer good also known as? A. An intermediate good. B. A market good. C. A final good. D. A depreciated good. The correct answer is C. A final good. Which of the following is not listed as an important industrial region in India? A. Tokyo. B. Coimbatore. C. Ahmedabad. D. Mumbai. The correct answer is A. Tokyo. What is the product when sodium bicarbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid? A. Sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. B. Sodium hydroxide, water, and hydrogen. C. Sodium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide. D. Sodium chloride, water, and oxygen. The correct answer is C. Sodium chloride, water, and carbon dioxide. What type of political system did the Ghana Sanghas offer as an alternative to kingdoms? A. Monarchical kingdoms. B. Imperial empires. C. Oligarchies or Ghana Sanghas. D. Feudal states. The correct answer is C. Oligarchies or Ghana Sanghas. What did ancient man do for food? A. Farm and cultivate. B. Hunted and gathered. C. Traded with other tribes. D. Purchased from markets. The correct answer is B. Hunted and gathered. What causes capillarity action? A. Water's high specific heat capacity. B. Water's ability to dissolve substances. C. The surface tension of water. D. The high boiling point of water. The correct answer is C. The surface tension of water. How did you score?